What is going on, guys? Ghost here, and hope everybody's having a great day. It's a nice sunny day, but it's still cold as crap out here. It's about 2 o'clock, so we have an appointment at 3 o'clock to have the exhaust done on the Cummins. If you've seen a previous video, I said I was going to take it to my cousin, and he was going to weld up some of the pieces we was having trouble with, because I was going to have to buy new clamps for everything, which I might still have to, but he is going to tack everything in place and put a nice bead on it. But we was having some trouble where the fitment just wasn't what I wanted, and the kit, you know, I was going to have to go buy all new hangers. I was going to have to, and those are going to have to be welded on, because the hangers welded onto the clamps, which the clamps are completely crap, so couldn't use those. So there's just a lot of stuff I was going to have to do, but I felt like it was going to be cheaper just to take it over there and let him deal with it. But we do have most of it done. I have the rest of it in the back of the truck. The portions that we don't have is just basically the one that goes over and comes out here. Because just in the video, you didn't see the exhaust come out. It actually ends up under the truck, but you can't see it. So it's, fix the camera, it is extremely loud. So we're going to get ready to head over there to make sure they're early, because I was talking to him last night, and he's like, yeah, I can get you in today. So it's kind of a tight booking schedule, so we want to make sure we get there early. I'm going to try to film some, so hopefully that'll be good. Also, my camera, this camera sucks really bad at nighttime and everything. It's not good in low light. Bright light does okay, but it's not really that good of a camera. I've had this for a really long time, so I am going to get another vlog camera since I'm doing more vlogs and everything. So if the camera kind of looks kind of blurry sometimes, I do apologize, but I am going to get a new camera. But let's fire up the Cummins, because it is kind of chilly today. So we can do, this is their cold start, holy crap. And if it's cold enough to have snow on the ground, then it's cold for me. I have way too many keys here. Alright. Let's get this bad boy started. I swear something just flew out and hit my arm. Alright. Let our little light go. Our little light's going to shine bright. We just got to get it until that goes off, and it should fire up now. As you can hear, it's pretty loud. When I get on it, you can hear the turbo spool up a little bit. I do love that, but right now it has, like, to me, it has kind of a hollow can sound. I feel like that's because it's just a straight pipe right now, a straight 5-inch. But once we get the curves and everything in it, hopefully it does give it a better sound. If not, we'll run the crap out of it like this. But hopefully when we get put on, it does give it a little bit better sound. I like how it sounds. It's louder, but yeah. Oh yeah. That truck just looks really cold right now. And I got the rims and tires like I said, so hopefully the next day or so I'll be able to get those mounted. These tires, I already got the new ones on, super rib. It costed $94 for mountain balance on tires. And I didn't buy tires there. Of course, usually when you buy tires, they say free mountain balance. I understand, $94 for mountain balance, that is insane. But you gotta do what you gotta do, so hopefully, well, that truck right there will have to have mountain balance too, so that's gonna be another $94. Ridiculous. It's warming itself up. It does not. I haven't plugged it up yet, but it's been firing up all the time. But I don't ever drive it when it's freezing cold. I'm gonna hate to take it out today because I don't want it to be in the salt, but I got an appointment, so I gotta go. Alright, got the cousin get ready to weld it up. We're going to set it the way we want. Bam! The man. What's going on? Yeah, that'll work. Good job.
This hole there, I gotta set my welder up a little bit.
All right.
We want it?
Yeah, that's good to me.
Good shape. Keep holding it there. Don't let it loose yet.
All right.
Now you'll be able to let it go.
Oh yeah. That's a lot better now since it's got the end on. Goes up the road.
Yeah, I'm already taking one.
Huh?
I said I'm already taking one.
Alright guys, so we got the exhaust put on and welded up. It sounds pretty good. I don't know if you can hear it or not, but it does sound really good. Sounds a lot better than you know what I was thinking it was going to sound like, because it sounded like a can. That's because we didn't have the rest of it on, but we put it up there, everything, you know, where we cut it and everything, it was good. He welded it really good, so it is up there really good. And the welds are like lifetime, so if they do break, I can take them back. That was my cousin who did it, so big shout out to you. Because he worked me in today to be able to do it because they were swamped, but luckily I was pulling in, we welded it, and we were good to go. It is loud, probably ticket loud, especially where I live. The police station is at the bottom of the hill, and I have to go up a steep hill, and you're going to hear it. But it's doing good. I really enjoy it. I like it. Can't wait to do some other stuff to it. All right, guys, that's going to do it for today's vlog. I hope everybody's having a great day. Cummins is sounding really good and stuff. Like I said, first thing I want to do is exhaust. I did order intake, but was going to be here for like 4 weeks, so I went ahead and canceled that. I got to find another one. I actually think I found the one I want to get. I got cab lights, should be in today, hopefully. Taking forever to get them here, I don't know why, but I have cab lights coming in. I'm gonna put new mirrors on because one of theirs got a chip. Well, plastic piece broke, but later on, probably toward the end of January, is when I'll start buying like the lift kit and the tires and everything, because right now it's Christmas time, so I don't want to go too overboard with it. Like I said, I am going to build my own headlights with the LED like halo angel eyes. Do that. We'll put new taillights on it. I do want to get aftermarket grill, bumper. I just got a lot of plans for it, but like I said, it's just step by step. And of course I have other trucks that I'm working on also. But anyways, hope you enjoyed the vlog. If you did, hit the like button. Make sure you push that subscribe button. This is Ghost and I'm out of here.
Yeah.